Guys, this is best teen hairstyle 2024 drop fade with curls and crispy lineup. Welcome to this haircut tutorial. First and foremost, I'm starting off by combing the hair, slicing the comb through it. As you can tell, I'm taking my time to make sure everything is right and even. With a 1.5 guard, the lever fully open, I'm starting around the parental ridge area, debulking the entire perimeter. Basically, I'm focusing on creating the shape I want for this haircut. No guard, lever fully closed, just at eye level. I'm starting my first initial guideline. Guys, I encourage you to master this technique. It really helps move the goalposts at the barbershop, making your workflow much easier. When it comes to behind the ear, make sure the lines are symmetrical so you can finish with a clean fade. Guys, notice that I'm cleaning up everything underneath this guideline. One guard, lever fully closed. I'm starting with a full inch guide line. As you can see, I'm carefully pushing the 1 inch mark into the panel, ensuring the guide line runs parallel to the line created underneath. Again, behind the ear, make sure the lines are symmetrical. Now, with a 2 guard, lever fully closed, I'm clearing up the top hair. Notice that I'm pushing the blade in a straight motion without compromising the hair shape of my client. Number 3 guard, lever fully open. I'm just finishing off from where we started, continuing to build the hair shape, which is a top priority for this drop fade. Moving slowly and steadily is the best approach. To finish up, I'm using the clipper over comb technique. As you can tell, I'm dragging the hair to the last teeth of the comb before cutting off what I consider the excess. Notice that I'm not cutting off everything I grab with the comb, just the last bit. Now with a one guard and the lever fully open, I'm going with the grain of the hair growth just to smooth everything out. Notice I'm not going all the way to the top. I'm simply following my guidelines and the hair shape I have created. Fully open with the one guard. This is the sweet spot without taking the fade too high. For anything higher than 1 inch, use the corner of the blade to connect the two sides. Now halfway, just move down about a 1/4 inch to connect the fade together. Apply this process to all sections. We have about 3 to 4 sections to cover. Look at my client face. He is very tired. They travel about 500 kilometers to the academy at the barber shop for this cut and is very excited to be here. Make sure to keep the canvas clean, no guard, lever fully open. I'm connecting the skin section to the top layer. Make sure you are fading within the perimeter of 1 inch, and for anything higher, use the corner of the blade if necessary. Good luck with your fade. Now I'm moving from halfway to fully closed to bring the entire process together. Behind the ear, make sure you know where you are in the fade so you don't take it too high. Now continue switching from halfway to fully closed to bring everything together. As you can see, the fade is looking clean and the whole process is coming together. See what happens here. I position his head at the right angle for the blade to give a better cutting experience. Guys, this is the moment we have been waiting for, to bring the entire shape together. As I move back over the top hair, I'm just cutting off the excess length for the shape. Now it's time for the lineup. Just move the blade a bit further, create the first vertical bar and C-curve. Now at the other side, move the blade a bit, create the second vertical bar and C-curve. Now I'm detailing the entire process. Lastly, I came in with my electric shaver to add more detail to the fade. As you can see, the fade is looking good. I also added a handful of product to create the curly effect. As you can see, I'm moving in a circular motion to achieve it. This is the cut. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe. See you in the next video.